Hello, everyone. Today we are going to talk about home prices decrease, right? Decreasing. So we have a lot of. I receive a lot of question about, hey, Long, why I do see a lot of reduction in today market. Like 5,000, 10,000. So I just want to use real estate data today to show you whether to answer the question: are home prices actually decreasing, and why? Right? If it is so, then why, and how much we are talking about. Okay. So let's look at the first real estate data right here. This is the year-to-date dollar volume. Okay, that means adding all the homes that sold for a certain years to come up with this number. Okay, for example, if you see 2020 2020 here, all the homes sold in 2022 has a total sum of 19,894 million. Okay, 19,894 millions. Okay, in 2021 is that number come almost 30,000 millions, 30 billion. Okay, in 2022 it's reduced to 28,000. In 2023 up to now, even though regardless of a lot of people saying that home prices actually goes down, the total volume, okay, of all the homes that sold only until October, this time right here, is already 22 million, almost 22 millions. Okay. When I say is already 22 millions, what do I mean by that? Yes, it is absolutely not equal to 2021 and 2022. Okay. But if you realize all the way from 2011, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 20 is always an increase. Now, if we take out the two 2021 and 2022, we kind of see that the 2023 is actually have a good, a normal growth, okay? A normal growth compared to some of the irregular years of 2021 and 2022. Why do I say it irregular? Because during these 2 years, the real main reason for 2021 and 2022 price is because of the brand new buyers, types of buyer. It's called iBuyer. So if you follow my channel, you're gonna know what iBuyer is, right? Somebody calls instant buyers, institutional buyers, internet buyers, right? Those are basically big company with a lot of fund, a lot of capital, right? They have fund, they have capital, so they buy the houses by cash. And during this period, 2021 and 2022, right? They buy houses crazily, and they want to compete with regular home buyer, and therefore they have cash, right? So they just put in a house with $400,000 asking, they can do 450, 460, 500 easy. They have a lot of cash, right? And the homeowners loved those as well, right? Homeowners love those cash offer, and therefore they're willing to accept that. When they accept, right? For example, if a primary home, a regular conventional home buyers, they want to compete with those. Let's say the cash offer for 50 for that situation. Then the conventional offer have to pull 520, 420. I'm sorry, 470, right? Higher to be able to competing with those cash offer. Otherwise, it's useless, right? And they're willing to sacrifice appraisal contingency, everything like that during that period. Therefore, home price shoot up crazily, right? Now, yes, I totally agree with some of the recognition is that the home price in today is reduced. Now, reduced compared to what? Reduced compared to 2021 and 2022. Yes, I agree with that 100%, right? Because we at this time right now, iBuyer is no longer on the market. If they are on the market, they mainly selling off their inventory. They're not trying to buy anything. They're not trying to buy any. Rarely that we see any iBuyer transaction in today's market that the iBuyer company buy in. The only situation that I see is that the house has to have a really good discount. Right? So it's the opposite of 2021 and 2022, right? So if the house is asking at 400, if the homeowners want to sell off to the iBuyers iBuyer buyers, then they have to do like 350, for example, right? So very low. So because of this iBuyer out of the picture, then therefore it's become the regular normal market. Regular normal market, and we can see that when you get rid of 2021 and 2022, right? 2023 seems to have a really good growth compared to other previous years. All right, so that is the answer. Whether the home prices actually decrease, yes and no. Yes, compared to 2021, 2022, but when you compare to 2020 and before, you see that it's actually going higher right now already. So imagine you still have almost 3 more months until the end of 2023. And right now, the level of 2023 is already past the 2020 level. So it's gonna be even higher than this number. Okay. Another indication that we are going to look at is the comfort market index. Okay. So this index is very useful in the situation that I'm gonna take a look at my webcam real quick to make sure that I have it right. Okay. This comfort market index showing the trend of the market, right? So anywhere from 90 to 110 is considered a normal regular markets. Okay, higher than 110 we have a seller market. Less than 90 we have a buyer's market. Right now the pink one is right around 140. Okay, right around 140. So it's still considered a seller market, okay, but it's not nowhere compared to 2020 and 2021, obviously, right? Now, I'm not trying to compare with those years, okay? The point that I want to make in this episode is let's say this one right here, right? It's the exact same chart. 2023 right now is about 147.8, okay? Now let's see what happened if we put in 2019. Okay, if we put in 2019, it's almost the same as this. Put in 2018, 2017, 2016, 2015, 2014. As you can see here, pretty much all the lines are lined up, right? Pretty much all the lines are lining up with 2023. Actually, let me reverse that sentence. 2023 almost line up with those years, right? So it basically means that right now 2023 is gonna be the regular normal market in Arizona rather than a crazy market happening in 2020 and 2021. So if you worry about a market crash because you see that a lot of home price reductions, perhaps maybe take a step, more careful step about this situation. All right. Thank you so much, everyone, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.